So here at Gator, we're happy to announce the launch of our Heat Shield 5000 window product line. A couple different samples of it behind me. The primary line that we're going to be offering is going to be our Heat Shield 5000 with a Max 3 glass. That's going to have a U factor of a 0.19, so great thermal performance in the product. A couple features and benefits of the product. We offer a number of different colors. We offer this in white, beige, the light wood grain that you see here, a medium wood grain, and then a cherry wood grain, which is a little bit darker and a little bit more of a red color. I like to start with our focus on the interior locking rail. It's going to be a nice low profile locking system. It's going to hide behind all the aesthetic of the upper sash. Low profile, nice and easy, so there's no interior tilt latches that you can see. But with this being a double hung product, it's still going to operate up like that with the locks. You unlock it, move it up. Then you use that same locking mechanism to go ahead and tilt that product in. So that way you have a nice ease of cleaning. So that way you can go ahead, clean the outside of your glass, both bottom sash and your top sash, as you go through your home and have these products installed in your home. There's 3 different areas where we have antimicrobial weather stripping. So on our interior of our sash, we have one on the side here, one on the other side here as well up against the jamb. We then have one on the exterior face that allows us to really seal up that product, which gives us a great air infiltration number on this product. So when we're ready and all done with cleaning the product, we can close our top sash, close our bottom sash, slide that all the way down, and operate our locks. So with this product, you're going to have a nice low profile extruded lift rail. So not anything that's going to be snapped into the sash itself, so it's not going to be able to remove at all. So it's going to have a nice firm purchase, so that way you can very easily operate your sash up and down, being able to easily operate the window. With this, we also offer our night latches, so these are able to pop out. It's going to limit the travel of that bottom sash, not only to make sure that you keep children and pets inside of the home, but also to add some security so you can have ventilation of the product at night. We do also offer our traditional tilt latch, so a little bit different look to the lock rail here. But for people who don't necessarily want that lock and tilt combo, you do have a traditional tilt latch where you can slide the product up, again, get to that couple inches up. Use your traditional tilt latches that are mounted here on the top and operate that window in. So both products can be tilted in. This just gives you a little bit different look and a little bit different feel for that customer interaction. So when we talk about our Max 2 and our Max 3 product, our Max 3 product is going to be what's going to be here on my right-hand side. This is going to be a triple insulated glass unit, so this is going to have 3 different layers of glass. One, the center pane is going to be a clear layer of glass. The outside and the inside pane are both going to have low emissivity coating on them to be able to reduce any heat infiltration that's going to come from your passive solar, as well as insulate to make sure that anything that's cold on the outside stays cold, anything that's warmer on the inside stays warmer, or vice versa in the summertime. That's going to be a 0.19 U factor, 0.26 solar heat gain, so really a great performing window. It's going to be most efficient qualified with Energy Star. Then we also offer our Max 2. So our Max 2 product is going to be a dual insulated unit, so very similar to our triple. We're just going to eliminate that outside layer of low E, so it's still going to be an insulated unit. Clear glass on the inside, low emissivity glass on the outside to be able to make sure that we're rejecting as much of that passive solar as possible. We really want to focus on making sure that we have that exterior low E for our Carolina market. That's going to allow us to make sure that we maintain the house as cool as possible, making sure that we focus on those air conditioning months versus those heating months, because there's a lot more months where we're going to be air conditioning versus heating.